So I wouldn't have bothered you with this if it hadn't have happened more than a couple of times. And it has. These are okay. These aren't the problem. The problem, if you can see it, is inside there. So they've used like a woodworking screw inside there on the Chavtex. So all we're going to do to fix it, I actually wanted to run slightly lighter oil in there, so I'm going to do that. I'm not going to make you sit through that with me. I'm just trying to get this off without making a mess there. The shocks have not leaked at all using the Traxxas kit. I'm going to link to Crawler Canyon's video on this, on how to rebuild these so that they work brilliantly. But these are like so good. These are basically aluminium Traxxas big bores made in China. They're so good. So as you can see in there, we've got a crappy little, I'm assuming you can see, yeah. So we got a crappy little crosshead screw in there, Phillips head, whatever you want to call it. Let's just get that out. So all you do to make these shocks work like they should do is, first of all, get rid of that crappy little screw. This actually looks like it's got like a rubber seal behind it. No, it hasn't. No, it was just shadow. So we get rid of that, and we are going to replace it with a screw. One thing I will say is, if you do get one of those screw kits, you might want to individually put them into other containers that don't mix them all together, because mine do end up being all together. So this was an 8mm screw, so an M3 by 8. So I just screw it down until it's pinched that tight, and that's it, you're there. There's no movement or anything in there, and now that isn't going to pull out of there. I have had these terrible jobs pull out a few times, and as you can see, it's taken some of the meat with it, but because we've gone past that, I don't think this is going to give us any bother. Just screw it back together, and I'll just show you why I'm thinking I might do slightly thinner oil. That might be a little bit slower than what I want. So there you go. That's how you take your Chavtech and make it a lot more resilient. I've actually done the other side already, so I don't need to do it. I'm going to get this screwed back on. If you're interested in the MEUS Gold Rush chassis build, subscribe, please. Don't miss out on the next content coming on this. We are going to be fitting one of the MEUS LCG gearboxes to this, just to see how that goes. We're going to be removing all of the FMM, the forward motor mount. I recently learned that low is better than forward to a degree. So a load of weight low at the back wouldn't be optimal, but once you get sort of to the middle and forwards of that, it isn't as important to have stuff forward as it is to have it low, and their LCG gearbox really does get the motor nice and low. We're going to give that a go, see how it works out. That'll be in another video. Hopefully I'll see you there. Remember, no matter the question, it's just up there. Love is always the answer. Bye for now.